Hello students, today I am going to talk about logarithm or log. For most of the students, this topic is not covered in their high school syllabus, so they face difficulty in their plus 2. So this video will be very helpful for them. And for those who have got this topic in their high school, it will be a kind of revision or reinterpretation. So let's begin. So we all have the basic idea of indices, right? That means we all know what is 3 cube, 3 to the power 3. It is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is getting multiplied 3 times, and that is equal to 27. What is 3 square? It is 3 into 3. That means 3 is getting multiplied 2 times, that is equal to 9. And what is 3 to the power 0? Anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so here we are doing multiplication. Okay, so 1 is the identity of multiplication. So while multiplying, we all have 1 in our hand. So with that 1, if we multiply 3 times, we get 27. If we multiply 3 2 times, we get 9. And if we multiply 3 0 times, that means we do not multiply 3. So what we have in our hand? We have that 1. And so 3 to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so this much we all know. Now if I ask you directly what is 3 cube, you can answer it is 27. What is 3 square? It is 9. What is 3 to the power 0? It is 1. Okay, now if I ask you in this way, to get the result 27 to answer pabor karone tomaloke keita 3 multiply koriba, so your answer will be 3. মই যদি কৰো যে 9 to result pabor karone, 9 to answer hisabe pabor karone tomaloke keita 3 multiply koriba, your answer will be 2. We will multiply 2 3s. 1 to answer pabor karone keita 3 multiply koriba? 0. Etao 3 multiply nokora, right? So let's write these things in a systematic manner. Okay, so if I ask you to get the answer as 9, how many 3 will you multiply? Your answer will be 2, right? So let's write this as log, okay, a new thing, log of 9 with base 3 is equal to 2. Okay, to get the result as 9, how many 3s will you multiply? Is equal to 2. Your answer is 2. So you see, the same thing we are seeing in a different way. If I ask you directly what is 3 square, it is 9. And if I ask you the same thing as to get the answer 9, how many 3s will you multiply? It will be 2, right? So you see, in the same way, what will be log of 27 with base 3? It is equal to 3. That means to get the result as 27, how many 3s will you multiply? It is 3. Log of 1 with base 3 is equal to 0. That is, to get the answer as 1, how many 3s will you multiply? 0. Etao 3 multiply nokora. ঠিক আছে? So you see, this log is nothing but a different perspective, a different viewpoint to see the indices that we all know. So if we generalize the thing, if a to the power b is equal to c, then log of c with base a will be how much? It will be b, right? So a to the power b equal to c বুলি কোৱা আৰু log of c with base a equal to b বুলি কোৱা কথা একেটাই। তো আমাৰ দৰকাৰ মতে, আমাৰ কাম মতে আমি যোনটো লাগে আমি হেতু ইউজ কৰিম। Now let's discuss 4 properties. Okay, 4 basic properties of log which will be used commonly. Okay, first property is log of a into b with base m is equal to log of a with base m plus log of b with base m. Okay, so we will prove this property, and we will do everything with the help of this relationship, right? So we have the, what you have, a to the power b is equal to c, means log of c with base a is equal to b. Both are same, right? We have understood that. Okay, so you see the right hand side, it is log of a with base m and plus log of b with base m. Okay, so suppose log of a with base m is equal to x. So go back to, if you want to go back to indices, then what will this imply? It will be m to the power x is equal to a, right? Okay, assume log of b with base m as y. Okay, so if you go back to the indices, then it will be m to the power y is equal to b. Okay, now multiply this both the equations. M to the power x is equal to a, m to the power y equal to b. Multiply these two equations, then it will be m to the power x into m to the power y is equal to ab, right? So apply the property of indices. If the base is same, then the powers get multiplied, added, right? So it will be what? M to the power x plus y is equal to ab, right? Now go back to logarithm. Now m to the power x plus y is equal to ab. So use that relationship between logarithm and indices. If you use log, then it will be what? Log of ab with base m is equal to x plus y, right? And what is x and what is y? If you write the values of x and y, then it will be what? Log of ab with base m is equal to log of a with base m plus log of b with base m. So this is a property of log, right? So let's move to the second property. The second property is log of a by b with base m is equal to log of a with base m minus log of b with base m. So you see, when there is multiplication in log, it gets added. Log of ab is equal to log of a plus log of b, and when there is division, it gets subtracted. You see, log of a by b is equal to log of a minus log of b. So we will prove this in the same way. Assume log of a with base m as x, log of b with base m as y. Okay, go back to the indices. M to the power x will be a, m to the power y will be b. Now this time, in the first property, we have multiplied these two equations, and this time we will divide these two equations. That means m to the power x by m to the power y will be how much? A by b. Okay, now apply the property of indices. When base are same and it is like m to the power x divided by m to the power y, the powers get subtracted, right? So it will be what? M to the power x minus y is equal to a by b. Okay, now go back to the logarithm. It will be how much? Log of a by b with base m is equal to x minus y, and write the values of x and y. It will be what? Log of a by b with base m is equal to log of a with base m minus log of b with base m. This is the property. Okay. Now move to the next one. Third property. Third property is log of a to the power m with base m is equal to m log of a with base m. n to agole gusi ahe kotha to hetu. First property to ki asile je jetia multiplication thake addition ahi jay. Second property to hol jetia division thake subtraction ahi jay. Third property to hol je log of a to the power jodi kiba thake he kiba to agole gusi ahe. ঠিক আছে? So to prove this one, we will observe something. Okay. Now you see what is log of a with base m plus log of a with base m. Apply the first property in a reverse way. First property is what? Log of ab with base m is equal to log of a with base m plus log of b with base m. Okay, when there is addition it gets multiplied. So apply the first property here. What will be log of a with base m plus log of a with base m? It will be log of a into a with base m, right? That means log of a square with base m. And what is in the left hand side? You see, left hand side is log of a plus log of a. And from the general concept of our algebra, these are two like terms. So you can what is x plus x? It is twice x, right? In this way, what will be the left hand side? It will be 2 log a with base m, right? You see. So what do you get? I mean, keep a look at this one. Log of a square with base m is equal to 2 log of a with base m. Right? Now add log of a both sides. Okay? Add log of a with base m both sides. Now what will be the right hand side? Right hand side will be what? You see, apply the first property again. There is addition, bases are same, so it will get multiplied. So it will be what? Log of a square into a. That means log of a cube with base m. And what is the left hand side now? You see, it will be 3 log of a with base m. So what we have get? Log of a cube with base m is equal to 3 log of a with base m. So we can repeat this process n times, right? So what we have observed, that a cube jetia asile 3 to agole ahi goisile, a square thakote 2 to agole ahi goisile. So a to the power n jetia thakibo hetu n to agole gusi ahibo eneki. আমি যদি আৰু এটা log of a ইয়াতে add কৰো তেতিয়া কি হৈ যাব 4 log of a with base m, right, is equal to log of a to the power 4 in this way. So basically what we can conclude, log of a to the power n with base m is equal to n log of a with base m. So a ৰ ওপৰত যদি তেনেকুৱা কিবা এটা পাৱাৰ থাকে পাৱাৰটো আগলৈ গুছি আহে কথা কি, right? So this is the third property. And the last property we will discuss today is log of 1 with base m is equal to 0. Okay? So 1 or log to hoday 0 hoy, base to 0 ho. Hetu kihor karone hoy? It is very simple. We all know m to the power 0 is 1. That means anything to the power 0 is 1. And if we want to go back to the logarithm from this state, what is this imply? This implies that log of 1 with base m is equal to 0. তো ইন্ডাইসিছত যেনেকে এনিথিং টু দি পাৱাৰ 0 ইজ 1 হয় লগত তেনেকে কি কম আমি যে log of 1 is always 0 base to 0 নহওক log of 1 to সদায় 0 so these are the four basic properties আৰু property আছে আমি তো এটা ক্লাছতে ইমানখিনি আমি ডিসকাস নকৰো this is the basic idea of log so to conclude logarithm is a different perspective to see the indices okay so thank you for watching